Alright, so I'm going to give you a written list of what to do to print, but I also want to do a walkthrough. So you're going to log into your Aimsweb account. It should open up right to this screen. Benchmark comparisons. You want to choose the grade that you want to print. You want to choose the battery. There's reading or math. And you want to choose the time period. So fall is what we're looking at right now. You can go back or forward. And then if you want scores or percentile, that would be under display. And then you would click view or refresh. And it should have the scores there. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to come up here to export in the upper right hand corner. You're going to choose batch individual student reports. And then there's 3 different ones. I'm not 100% sure on all of them. What the differences are. You may take some time to investigate that. Or you can print all of them. When I print all of them, you can choose target lines. I like the target line maybe, but I don't know about the other ones. Again, you can play with that. I didn't choose, I forgot a step. So I'm going to hit cancel. I didn't choose any students. So you could choose individual students, or I could choose them all by choosing the top box. And then I'll come back to export. Choose all. And I'm going to choose target lines. And now I don't get the error message that no students were chosen. And I'm going to start my batch job. And your request has been received. It may take some time. And then I'm going to wait until it comes up here. An exclamation point will come up here on next to this bell. When that exclamation point, this is like the cooking shows, I already have one done. So when the exclamation point comes up, you'll open up and you'll see the batch individual report. You'll click on it. It'll open it up. Let me bring it over from my other screen. Mine opens up like this. Whatever program you have to open up PDFs, it'll open it up. So this looks blank, but this is one report. This is for Jasenia. That's Aureli's. And they go all through, and then you would print it. And once they're printed, wherever you send it to the printer, that will be where it is. Let me get this slide out of the way, and let's see if that comes. The exclamation point is not there yet. That may take some time. And once that exclamation point in an orange circle, it will be an orange circle up there in the corner, then that will come up. It may take some time. Obviously, it's not there yet. All right, hopefully that helps.